about you, but I go through things. I don't know about you, but I fall a lot. I don't know about y'all, but we fight sometimes. I don't know about y'all, but that's life sometimes. Yeah, that's life sometimes. Then I be online and it's not the same. Seem like everybody coaching, niggas got the game already. Y'all gotta be poaching, I can spot the same rhetoric. Everybody quoting, niggas speak about the motion, niggas spots the same. Niggas speak with no emotion, niggas bots for real. Got that put them in a box appeal. Watch niggas crumble when shit oxidize. Ain't been outside, man, these niggas dead stock for real. These niggas my ops for real. Like to shout all the doubt, but be copping please. When the truth got a pot to fill, it get pissy. Put the wool over his eyes, the kid dizzy. Can't find a common thread, it get itchy. When all you got is time on your hands, shit get wicked. Way I seen niggas transform, I went wiki. Gotta be SSX, this shit tricky. The big epiphany, ain't gotta take opinions with me. Most shit is thrifted, second-handed, underhanded. Nigga, what's the difference? Collecting bags, niggas underbidding. If you can't call a spade, keep your fucking distance, especially if it's business. How the paper get mismanaged, we still done to Mifflin. They can't see it from our vantage point, they just gon' miss it. Who gon' fucking listen? Who gon' keep it honest? I'ma keep it varnished. I'm in niggas' heads with these ebonics. Yellow bellies, we ain't seeing jaundice. Can't stand beside them, tell them get behind us. I don't know about you, but I don't know about you, but I talk my shit. I don't know about you, but I walk my shit. I don't know about y'all, but we go through things. I don't know about y'all, but I fall a lot. I don't know about y'all, but we fight sometimes. I don't know about y'all, but that's life sometimes. Yeah, that's life sometimes. Then I be online and it's not the same.